Hanap mo ba ay farmhouse, rest house, beach cottages, or instant store? Usap tayo. Pride namin ng pag-offer ng bahay na gawa sa dekalidad ng materyales. Siguradong tatagal at resistant sa anumang calamities like lindol at bagyo. Mabilis ang pag-setup ng aming bahay makabayan and no need to wait for even months or years. Our bahay makabayan is designed for comfort, flexibility in design, and durability. Eco-friendly din ang aming bahay makabayan. Gamit ang energy-efficient design and sustainable materials, siguradong makakatipid ka sa electricity and water. Isipin mo ang savings mo in terms of cost, time, and maintenance. Quality, speed of construction, sustainability, lahat ng yan andito sa bahay makabayan. So ano? Make the smart choice and choose bahay makabayan for your next home.